Good morning, dear student. Welcome back to our new video about the chapter 4, the trumpet of the swan. Hope you have read the lesson and enjoyed the story. So what is the chapter about? The chapter is about an 11-year-old boy. The name of the boy is Sam Beaver, and a swan and a cock. What is the story about? The story is about a mother, how she looks and take care of its young one. All mothers look after their young ones, their children. Your mother also look after you. So here also animals also take care of their young ones. So here the swan and the cock, they are looking after their eggs, their cygnets which are going to born. So here in this story we have studied yesterday that the swan was going to lay eggs, 4 eggs, and the cock is looking after the swan and its eggs. So this Sam Beaver, he went in the middle of the forest and sat on a log. Then he was surprised. He saw the swan and the cock. Suddenly a fox came from the bushes and it was ready to attack on these swan and its eggs. So this boy saved their life. And now let's read the 3rd page of the story. So open your book, page number 39, and let's read the further story of the lesson. Now let's read the further story. But just as the fox was about to spring on the swan, a stick came hurtling through. Now the fox was looking from the bushes and she is about to jump on the swan. Suddenly a stick hurtled, stick came with a high speed through the air. From where the stick is coming? Yes, the boy Sam was looking at the fox and he wants to save this swan, surprising everybody. Now everybody is surprised because nobody has watched this boy. It struck the fox on the nose. The stick struck the fox on its nose as he yelped in pain. Now he jumped into the pain while turning around to run away. Now he got a stick, he got hurt, and suddenly she moved, turned and ran away into the jungle. The 2 birds could not imagine what had happened. The 2 birds, swan and the cock, were greatly surprised. They don't know about the boy, from where the stick is coming and who had saved them. Then they noticed a movement in the bush. Now they saw somebody is moving in the bushes. Out stepped Sam Beaver. Now Sam Beaver is coming out of the bush, the boy who had visited them a month ago. Who is this boy? Sam Beaver, who come and washed them 1 month ago. Seeing him, the swans knew that he had saved them from the fox. Now this swan and the cock understood who has saved them. This fox saved them from the fox. They realized that the boy was their friend after all. Now they realize, they come to know that this boy is their friend and not their enemy. Who is their enemy? Their enemy was the fox. Kho kho, said the cob. Cob spoke in her language. Kho, replied the swan. The pond rang with the sound of victory or gladness. Now they were enjoying that they are saved from the fox. Sam was thrilled. Sam was also very happy. He walked slowly around the shore and sat down on a log. Now he moved around the shore, the bank of the pond, the side of the pond, and sat on a log. The cob swam over towards Sam. Now the cob came near the Sam, climbed out of the pond, and stood close to the boy. Now he was not afraid of the boy. The boy was his friend. So he came near the boy, looking at him in a friendly way and arching his neck gracefully. Now he is moving his neck in graceful manner. Once he ran his neck far out cautiously and almost touching the boy. Now this cob was feeling delight and happy, and he wants to praise the boy, praise the Sam for his greatness. Sam never moved a muscle. Sam sat quietly and he do not moved. Why he do not move? Because when the people react, the animals think that they will hurt them. So here also Sam sat quietly. His heart hummed with excitement and joy. He was very happy and very excited. The swan paddled back to her nest and returned to her egg. She felt lucky to be alive. Now she was very happy that she is alive. She was saved from the fox. See here in the picture, this boy Sam was sitting on a log. This is a log, piece of a wood. He was sitting on the log, and here the cob was standing here near the boy. Now students, we have read the third page. We have read the complete story. Hope you all have studied, understood the story. Once again you read the complete story and you note down the word meanings. Now let's see some new words again which you have come across while reading the further page. So what is the first word? Hurtling. What is the meaning of hurtling? Moving at high speed. Who is moving here at a high speed? Yes, the stick. Who is taking the stick? Sam Weaver. Sam is saving the swan from the fox. So he took a stick and hurtled with a great speed, moved the stick with a great speed and hit the fox. Second one, ran with. Ran with means was filled with the sound of. So what was the sound? Sound was kho-kho. Who were making? Cob and the swan. When the fox was hurt and it went back in the forest, ran away. So they were greatly happy and they enjoyed. Thrilled. Thrilled means very excited and happy. Who were thrilled? Sam was thrilled. Why he was thrilled? Because these two birds were saved from the cunning fox. and their eggs also. So here Sam was also thrilled, was happy, and these water birds were also very happy. Then arcing. Arcing means carving. Who is carving? Yes, when the Sam has saved the birds, the cob came near to the Sam, and by moving his head, moving the head with the praise, or when we feel happy, when we regret somebody, what we did? We just move our head. So here also this bird is moving its head and just obliging the Sam, the boy. Cautiously. Cautiously means very carefully. Who is cautiously here? Sam Beaver. Sam Beaver was very careful about the fox, that it will come and eat the swan and its egg. So he cautiously means very carefully. Very carefully Sam Beaver noticed the fox. Never moved the muscle, sat or remained still. Who is remaining still here? Sam Beaver. Because when any animal is coming towards us, or we are going towards an animal, we should be always remain very still, very calm and very quiet. Because when we disturb them, they will feel afraid, whether they will attack on us or they will run away from us. So now students, you have understood the story well, understood the words, the new words which are coming across the story. Now let's see the exercises and question answers also. Choose the correct answer to complete these sentences. A, first one, the cock was furious because. Why was the cock furious? Answer will be A. Did not want to be watched by a human deep inside a jungle. Second one, the swan asked the cob not to fight with the boy because. B1, answer B. The boy was sitting quietly and had not attacked them. Third one, the boy was sitting quietly on the log because. Answer is B. Was filled with wonder at the sight of these rare birds and did not want to disturb or frighten them. Fourth one, the swan did not want to leave her nest because she. Answer will be B. Wanted to care for and pay all her attention to the eggs to hatch little cygnet out of them. Fifth one, the cob swam over the place where the Sam was sitting in order to. Answer will be A. Show that he was grateful for Sam's help. Now exercise B. Read these lines from the text and answer the questions. There are some extract from the chapter, some lines, and on the line the questions are based. Like, let me give you one example. What she finally saw surprised her. What did she see? What did the swan see? She saw a boy sitting on a log. Why was she surprised? She was surprised because in the middle of the jungle, how this boy come across and what he was doing here. What did she do immediately after this? Immediately, when she saw this boy, Sam Beaver, she immediately went to the cock and informed him about the boy. So like this, students, you have to find the answers from the chapter Just go through it once again. Underline the word, the sentence which are extracted from the lesson, and then you go through the answer. Note it down in your notebook, and then there will be a PDF. You write the answers, check your answers from the PDF and note down in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.